Time to build the Eiffel Tower, the Lego style. Lifting beam number 1, says Craney the Crane. Here we go, the tower starts now. Making space, says Dozer Dan. This base will be strong and steady, ready for the tower. Digging the spots for the legs, says Diggy the Digger. Nice and deep, just right. Cement coming through, laughs Mixy the Cement Mixer. Sticky and strong, just like glue. Smooth and even, says Rollie the Steamroller. That's perfect for building tall, strong towers that won't topple. Let's get this leg in place, says Craney the Crane. Nice and easy. Hold it steady. Dan! This leg's Loctite, says Diggy the Digger. Great pour, Mixy solid as a rock. Bricks ready, says Dozer Dan. Rollie's on the job, making it smooth and flat. Arch beam coming up, says Craney the Crane. Lifting high, nice and steady all the way. Mix it, laughs Mixy the Cement Mixer. Round and round time to make it stick. Smooth again, says Rollie the Steamroller. Flat and perfect, nice job, team. Oh, look, shouts Diggy the Digger. There's a surprise tunnel down here, let's check it out. Let's stay safe, says Dozer Dan. I'm marking off the tunnel, no one goes in yet. No falling bricks, says Mixy the Cement Mixer. Sealing it up tight, sticky, strong, and safe. Up she goes, shouts Craney the Crane. This part's super tall, almost touching the clouds. Line it up, Dan, says Diggy the Digger. Careful now, we've got this all the way. Super sticky mix, says Mixy the Cement Mixer. Hold on tight, it's sticking strong and ready to last. No wobbles allowed, says Rollie the Steamroller. We've got to keep it all smooth and steady, nice job, team. Let's finish strong. Flag up top, says Craney the Crane. Our Eiffel Tower's almost done, just a little more to go. Look at that view, says Dozer Dan. Wow, we built the whole thing, what an amazing tower. See, bricks, they all shout together. We did it, our tower's standing tall and proud. Next stop, says Diggy the Digger. Let's build something even bigger and better. Are you ready?
AI TV.